Coming up next, the RomanNiko Excursion Train. Hey, welcome back. Hope everybody's doing okay. Like always, want to take this time to thank all my subscribers. For those who comment, it's truly appreciate it. Well, I have a couple of old Subway cars, and I decided to turn them into a RomanNiko Railroad Excursion Train cars. The set was broken, so I decided to take advantage of it. I took the inside and the outside, and I went ahead and spray painted them white, so then I could go ahead and detail them further. I then went ahead and spray painted the outside in whites because I wanted them in white with burgundy top and black windows. And here's the top painted in burgundy. I then went ahead and printed some decals and painted the window frames in black. I like the white, black, and burgundy scheme. I put, this is gonna be the Roman, and the number is gonna be how old he is at the time I did him, which is 4. Next step was to paint the interior, the seats, added some paper to the floor, and some posters and the people, and I was done with the interior. I like the way it came out. The caboose, I had an old caboose, so I also painted it, and I named it Chris Andy, which is my 2 sons. The second passenger car, I named it the Nikolai, and the number is going to be 01 for how old he is now. Well, here she is on the track, ready to roll. I really enjoyed this project, and they're going to have a nice set to enjoy. Well, there she is. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Hey, if you did, thumbs up, subscribe, and click that little bell button. Happy railroading. Bye.